They know they're not going to pay this medical bill. They know that. So that's the hard part about healthcare. It's stupid to not be insured, okay? When all you have to do most of the time is apply. And sometimes you can get, if you cannot get Medicaid or Medicare, they have very low costs where you can get insurance, even the basic, for like between $10 to $20 a month. And I know for me, I can eat that one time going to Wendy's or fast food. Just one time going through fast food can pay for my insurance. So it's no excuses to say I can't afford it. Everybody could pay $5 to $10. It's just that a lot of people act very ignorant. They don't make any plans, and there you go. They have never, some people have never even applied because they say, oh, I don't need any medical insurance because I don't go to the hospital. But what about the time when you actually need to go, when something major happens to you? Whew. It's exhausting. Sorry, I was on here venting for the past hour, but I needed to talk about the stupidity that I've seen on social media, working in healthcare. Miss 702 says we needed to hear it. Yeah, so sometimes I feel overwhelmed, the things that I see, and it makes me sad. Especially what breaks my heart in a million pieces is seeing somebody who is older. They've never had any kids, and they have nothing set up. Oh, it breaks my heart in a million pieces to know a person is older, they don't have any support, and they're very lonely. When if they had did a little bit of planning, they could have a home health aide come into their home, even to help take them to the store or take them to a doctor's appointment. Just a little bit of planning, everybody. A little bit of planning. It doesn't even have to be a lot. I've put in place that even if I'm not even making a lot of money when I get older, I can at least have somebody to come in and give me a shower or buy me some groceries so I know that I'm not going to starve if I can't get up and walk. Just simple planning, everybody. Simple planning. So if you have not, start with something simple. Please go. There's websites you can go to and set up a will today. Set up a will. It's free. They just ask you simple questions. And most of the time you can finish your will in between 15 and 20 minutes. And it's free. Don't go by the sites that you have to do the, of course, if you have like homes and cars and things like that, you need to get into a trust. But if you're a person who just lives in an apartment and you don't really have a lot, a will suffice. At least it will say what you want, if you want to be buried or cremated, and do you want your organs donated, blah blah blah, certain things like that. So please do that. At least please get a will. And second, please get some insurance, even if it's basic from the government, applying for Medicaid, Medicare, okay? I have given it to God. People don't listen, and stupid choices lead to unnecessary consequences. But most of the time, the people who do not make good choices, we as hard workers working and putting money into the system, we're the one that have to take care of people who do not have good choices. We're the ones that have to pay for those who do not ever get health insurance, because I've asked people working in the administration and billing, do you have insurance? No. Have you ever applied for Medicaid? No. So I actually had to go through the process of taking them to the website, go and apply for Medicaid, and they get it. And you could have had Medicaid and going to a doctor, but sometimes people don't prioritize their health. They never go to a primary doctor. They don't go to the dentist. They don't get simple things. And for me, it's stupid to not take care of yourself, because if you are not well, you cannot take care of yourself, much less if you have kids or a family. So do it for yourself, everybody. Thanks for listening to me